So how to add fund in IG likes followers.com. First of all, you have to sign in. As you sign in, just go to this option, add funds. First of all, this there is a scan code. You have to scan it via the Paytm app or Google Pay or Phone Pay. So after the payment, you will get the order ID from the Paytm number. For example, order ID will look like 20210321. So this is the demo of order ID. It may be start from T if you payment from doing from the other applications. So you have to write the order ID and amount you have paid. For example, you have paid 100 rupees, then you have to write here 100 and you have to click on the check. The fund will be credit in the user wallet. So after the payment, you have to make the new order. For example, you are buying this hot service. For example, you are buying the Instagram like. Then here you have to write the link of the your profile link, post link, and quantity you want to order. Then it will show here the charges of the your service order. So after submitting, you will get the order. For example, if you want the followers, then you have to go here. For example, you want to buy these followers are the permanent followers, 99 days refill guarantee, and after a while these followers will not drop again. If you find any drop 5% to 10%, then you can refill it, and after refill these followers becomes permanent. So for if you want to buy the followers, then you have to put the link of the profile, or maybe you can write simply the username of the profile. For example, so quantity you want to buy, here you can write the quantity and it will show the charges. If you want to less quantity 100, then according to the charges will be appear here. So you can submit here that the order will be start after the 5 minute or maybe 20 minute or maybe instant. After the order, you can check the orders history here. So order history will be shown here. It's completed, pending. You will get the status here on the order. If you have any type of the complaint, if your order is not started, then you just go to the tickets and write the subject. In subject you have to write the order ID, and here you can write your problem and submit. So you after if the status is appear here answer, then you can open the ticket from here. Just click on the order ID, just click on hi. So if the support member replies you will get the answer here. You can check the status of the ticket or complaint.